This is a list of symptoms that you can possibly suffer if you're vitamin D deficient. Also as well, if you've got fibroids. I've done a separate video on fibroids, please click on the link above. If you've not done so already, get tested, and this is what your vitamin D levels looks like. There are 1,000,001 vitamin D tablets and capsules you can purchase. I know, which one do you want to choose? Well, I've got the right idea for you guys. I would recommend you get yourself down to an IV bar. IV bars are so different from hospitals. It's more of a loungy experience. As you can see here in the pictures, these are IV bars. They're the hottest and trendiest things to do these days when you're low on certain vitamins. There's no downtime whatsoever. Everyone's different, so you can check how long it will take for you to get your treatment done. It's quite relaxing. You can bring a friend, you can meet people there, you can do your work from there with your laptop. It's quite comfortable. Once you've topped up, I would recommend maintaining with the light therapy treatment. That also produces vitamin D levels for you, and it will maintain your results so you're not drastically low anymore. We do have these light therapy panels available for sale, and I'll leave a link in the description box as to where you can purchase it also. Good luck, guys.